Tim Draper, the man, the myth, the venture capitalist legend. Known for his uncanny ability to spot the next big thing, Draper saw gold where others saw, well, weird internet money. Curious how he did it? Let's dive in. Spoiler alert, it involves a lot of I told you so moments and a few WTF ones too. Meet Tim Draper, early investor in small obscure companies like Skype and Tesla. Ever heard of them? Yeah, thought so. But this story isn't about electric cars or internet calls. It's about Bitcoin, ladies. And no, it's not just for buying questionable substances on the dark web. It's also for those WTF moments when you realize you missed the boat. Back in the dark ages of 2014, Bitcoin was a topic that sparked intense debate and skepticism. The cryptocurrency world was still in its infancy, and the general public had a hard time wrapping their heads around this new digital currency. Bitcoin was a sketchy topic. News anchors and financial experts were quick to dismiss it as a passing fad, a bubble waiting to burst. They questioned its legitimacy and warned people to stay away. People called it magic internet money and thought it was just for buying questionable substances on the dark web. The association with illegal activities and the dark web only added to its notorious reputation. It was seen as the currency of choice for criminals and hackers. Enter Tim Draper. He didn't just dip his toes into Bitcoin. He cannonballed in, ignoring the eye rolls and the "you're insane" comments from Wall Street bigwigs. Draper saw potential where others saw risk. He believed in the transformative power of Bitcoin and was willing to put his money where his mouth was. Draper's bold move was a turning point. It signaled to the world that Bitcoin was more than just a speculative asset. It was a revolutionary technology with the potential to change the financial landscape. His investment was a vote of confidence that helped legitimize Bitcoin in the eyes of many skeptics. Despite the volatility and the naysayers, Draper's faith in Bitcoin never wavered. He saw beyond the headlines and the fear-mongering, recognizing the true value of a decentralized currency. His story is a testament to the power of vision and conviction in the face of doubt and uncertainty. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to be the guy who bought magic internet money and turned it into a fortune? And speaking of fortunes, Draper's investment in Bitcoin was like finding a golden ticket in a sea of chocolate bars. Except, instead of a chocolate factory, he got a digital gold mine. And no Oompa Loompas to deal with. So, what made Draper throw caution and millions to the wind? Was it a calculated risk or a leap of faith into the unknown? Draper, a venture capitalist with a knack for spotting trends, saw something in Bitcoin that others missed. Maybe it was his love for chaos, or maybe he had a crystal ball. Draper has always been a maverick, someone who thrives in uncertainty. His investments often reflect his belief in disruptive technologies. He saw Bitcoin as more than a fad. To him, it was a revolution in the making, a seismic shift in how we perceive and use money. Draper envisioned a future where Bitcoin would be as ubiquitous as the internet. To him, it was digital gold, not just a store of value, but a new form of currency that could democratize finance. Draper believed that Bitcoin had the potential to break down financial barriers and empower individuals globally. While others laughed at the idea of decentralized currency, dismissing it as a passing trend or a speculative bubble, Draper was busy hoarding Bitcoin like a doomsday prepper stockpiling canned beans. He saw the long-term potential and was willing to bet big on it. Draper's conviction was unshakable. He believed that Bitcoin could change the world, and he was determined to be at the forefront of this financial revolution. His early investments in Bitcoin were not just about making money. They were about being part of something much bigger. Draper wanted to be a pioneer in the digital currency space, and his actions reflected that ambition. Fast forward to 2017. The financial markets were buzzing with excitement and anticipation. Everyone was talking about the unprecedented growth and the new opportunities that seemed to be popping up everywhere. But amidst all this, one name was on everyone's lips: Bitcoin. Bitcoin skyrockets, making early adopters look like geniuses. The price of Bitcoin surged to unimaginable heights, turning ordinary people into overnight millionaires. Investors who had taken the risk early on were now reaping the rewards, celebrating their newfound wealth and success, and skeptics look, well, kinda dumb. Draper's investment? The media couldn't get enough of the story. Headlines were filled with tales of Bitcoin's meteoric rise and the skeptics who had doubted its potential. Those who had dismissed Bitcoin as a passing fad were now eating their words. It turned into a cool billion. Tim Draper, the venture capitalist who had taken a bold gamble on Bitcoin, was now celebrating his billion-dollar success. His investment had paid off in a way that few could have predicted. That's right, billion with a B. Draper's fortune had grown exponentially, and he was now living the billionaire lifestyle. Stacks of cash, luxury cars, and opulent mansions were now within his reach. His gamble paid off so well, even Las Vegas was jealous. The success of Draper's investment was the talk of the town, and even the high rollers in Las Vegas couldn't help but feel a twinge of envy. From Crazy Tim to Bitcoin billionaire, Draper's transformation was nothing short of remarkable. Once considered a maverick and a risk-taker, he was now hailed as a visionary and a pioneer in the world of cryptocurrency. Tim Draper and Bitcoin had all the elements of a Hollywood blockbuster: drama, suspense, and an unexpected twist that left everyone in awe. It was a tale of risk and reward, of vision and vindication, and it was far from over. Tim Draper's story is a testament to foresight, guts, and a little bit of I told you so. His belief in Bitcoin didn't just make him wealthy, it cemented his legacy as the venture capitalist who saw the future in digital currency. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to be the guy who bought magic internet money and turned it into a fortune? Inspired? Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping tales of investment success. Who knows? Maybe you'll be the next Bitcoin billionaire, or at least you'll get some good stories to tell. And remember, ladies, invest wisely. Until next time. If you can't be a billionaire, at least be a WTF millionaire.